Whemenoc alarm chair, and today we have another unboxing video. So, this is a Wheelock alarm, and it's what I got for my birthday. What do you think it is? Put down in the comments below and put the time that you guessed. Alright, so, here it is. Now, I'm gonna have to unbox this thing. I got a screwdriver, so hopefully that works. I don't know how well this is gonna work out, but here we go. I'm gonna have to that worked. Wow, this stuff is strong. Wow, what? No. I left it open? Stupid air bubbles. Wow. Alright everyone, here we go. Sorry if I'm shaky. So, I probably don't need that. Here we go. Oh wait. There we go. That's right. I got my Wheelock E50 24 MCW speaker strobe. Now this is awesome. I can't wait to use this and test in the future. So anyways, yeah. Very happy with this, and I'll be thanking my dad later. That will be it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, rate, and leave comments. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!